Kids are back at school. All the roads are absolutely chocker. And this is early. This is still, what time is this now? 8:02 in the blessed AM. I have to remember that to put on screen. Yeah, so it's not even like proper school time yet. And yet the roads are busy. There's kids absolutely everywhere wandering around. Half term was nice. Also means though that places like Ainsdale Beach should be quieter. So I do need to get out. And I still haven't taken my good camera down there yet. I need to do that. And I need to definitely do some filming today. Bully me into doing filming today. I have stuff to record. Hopefully this wind dies down. Jeez, last night, man. Thought there was burglars in the house. The wind was blowing the fence panels and it was blowing empty bins over in the street. The amount of noise was ridiculous. Difficult to sleep, even with white noise on me Bluetooth sleeping mask stroke headphones. Still difficult to sleep in that noise. Ridiculous. First day of summertime yesterday, and of course blowing a bastard gale. But it's sunny. It's not supposed to be sunny. It's supposed to be raining today, according to the weather yesterday anyway. And it's not. It's lovely. Apart from that wind, if it just settled down a bit, it'd be great. Nice temperature. Good film on Talking Pictures TV. A truly exceptional cup of tea. Are you getting across there or what, lad? Oh my word. That schoolboy with his paper round bag on his bike was wearing a bobble hat or a black beanie, and he looked almost identical to Reece Shearsmith as Stink Ray in Carshare, the Peter Kay sitcom. Get this pumped up. I was a very naughty boy to this back in Okinawa. Absolute ringer for him. That's brightened me morning up anyway. Alright, let me through now. Thank you. Someone who understands the rules of the road. I stop and let 4 or 5 of you through. You stop and let 4 or 5 of us through. It's not hard. It's not rocket surgery, is it? Carshare, what a show that was. A show about nothing. How do you make anything entertaining about just being sat in a car talking? Riddle me that. Was that the precursor to this? Is this what this is? Have I found out what this is? I've stolen it completely. Although it wasn't Peter Kay's idea, was it? It was the other fella, the other writer. Peter Kay just came in, lent his name to it, and then rewrote a lot of it. That's what the papers say. That's what the news is round our way. Wherever it worked brilliantly. But is that what I've done? Have I just stolen that bit? And instead of having a Kaylee Kitson next to me, well, I had a Horace, and Jess was there this morning. Go on, you alright? She was in fine fettle this morning, Jess. How are you this morning? Sleep well? What's your favourite colour? What's 1 plus 1? I got that one right. Bloody kids. She's got a driving test booked. I shouldn't be moaning. Before I know where we are, she'll have passed the test and I won't be needed anymore. Loads of lie-ins and everything, which would be lovely, won't it? I'll miss this though if I'm moaning. Even the middle of February, freezing cold. Ice everywhere. Snow falling in the boot. Even those mornings I miss. I'm not in a rush for it to pass, but I'm also desperate for it to pass. Just as I know how important it was for me when I passed my test at 17. It wasn't really a sense of, I don't know, freedom or anything. I didn't own a car back then. She will do. But it meant I could get out of my dad's car. Could at least be a little bit mobile. And these kids nowadays, listen to me, old man, these kids, they don't go out as much as we did. To go out for a drive, they go to Mackey's or something. Or just go for a drive with the mates in the car, blasting the music. Don't suppose that's a bad thing, is it? They're out getting caned every day. It's Tuesday night, lads, let's go and get hammered. Nothing like that. And I think it'll also be good for us. You won't be relying on people if she's anything like me in that way. As much as I'm grateful for the help I've had over the years, especially the last 2.5 years. Like with my dad taking me to physio, he'd rearrange his entire week if I needed to. I tried to get all my physios on Friday because he doesn't work on a Friday. But even so, that was his day off. And I was getting him to drive me. It's only a 1.5 miles down there. But my physio's appointments used to take an hour. So he'd take time out of his day off, drive me down there, wait for half an hour, wait for an hour and drive me back. Best part about 1 hour and 20, 1.5 hours, depending on traffic, out of his day off just to take me down there. Which I absolutely loved, but better once I got my car. Much better. I wasn't relying on people and I wasn't ruining people's days or weeks. Can you take me here? Can you take me there? She'll be the same. Instead of having to ring me up, Dad, can you take me to Tesco? Just get in the car and go. I've lost the filter off the Osmo Pocket 3. I've got another one, it doesn't matter, but gutted with that. It's one of the good filters. Oh, well, I'm tired. Ik ben moe. Ik ben moe. Very tired. The birds have been taking the seed, by the way, out the bird feeder. Maybe today we'll do a Dennis bird cam. How about that? How about that? Depending on how windy it is. If this wind dies down, I'll open the window and we'll stick the phone out. Might even try and put the webcam outside. I could do that. And then we'll see what happens. Perhaps. In the meantime, I'm going in. I'm absolutely exhausted. Tea, nap, work. The Holy Trinity. Come on, let's go.